Ever imagined a smartphone that can transform into a tablet instantly? What if your phone could expand its screen without any visible fold? Today, we're diving deep into the Samsung Galaxy Z Roll 5G, the first fully rollable phone from Samsung that's redefining mobile technology in 2026. Samsung is taking a bold step with the Rollable OLED display. Unlike foldable phones, there's no crease on the screen. The Z Roll 5G can expand up to 12.4 inches, giving you a full tablet-like experience while staying compact as a phone. The display isn't just big, it's bright and smooth. With up to 3000 nits brightness and a 144 Hz refresh rate, it's perfect for gaming, streaming, and scrolling. And for privacy, Samsung includes AI-driven privacy modes to hide sensitive content when someone is watching over your shoulder. Powering this futuristic device is the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, or, in some regions, the Exynos 2600. Coupled with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM, this phone can handle intense gaming, multitasking, and creative work with ease. It runs Android 17 with One UI 9, giving you the latest features, smooth animations, and fully optimized rollable screen apps. Samsung hasn't skimped on cameras either. The Z Roll 5G packs a triple mode rear camera with 12, 5MP, 50MP, and a whopping 200MP high resolution sensor. For selfies, you get a 12MP under-display camera, which keeps the screen completely uninterrupted, perfect for immersive gaming and content creation. With a massive 8000 amp-hour battery, the Galaxy Z Roll 5G is designed for all-day usage, even with the screen fully expanded. Fast charging, 65W wired and 25W wireless support ensures you're never tied down for long. You can game, stream, or work without constantly worrying about battery life. Premium titanium frame ensures durability. Built-in S Pen support lets you take notes, draw, and interact in creative ways. Adaptive screen multitasking makes using two apps simultaneously seamless. Full 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth keep you connected at lightning speeds. Samsung is positioning this phone for those who want the ultimate productivity device and gaming experience in one. The Samsung Galaxy Z Roll 5G is expected to launch in the second half of 2026, alongside the Z Fold 8 and Z Flip 8. This is not just a phone, it's Samsung's first true rollable device, aiming to change the way we use mobile devices forever. So, are you ready to experience the future of smartphones with a Samsung Galaxy Z Roll 5G? If you want to stay updated on the latest tech innovations, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and share this video with your friends. And tell us in the comments, would you choose a rollable phone over a traditional smartphone? We want to hear your thoughts.